In today's video, we are going to model a lamp, a simple lamp. So first we'll delete the cube. Let's go into the right view, zoom in a little and add a cylinder. Let's reduce the segments. I like to make it 12 or 16 so you can use as much as you want, depending on how detailed you want the base. So I want at 16, go into edit mode and then scale it down a little like this, and then scale on just the Z axis. So it's S and then Z. And we have it somewhere here. So this is the base of the lamp. Use the middle mouse button to gain this perspective and then go to edge select. Now you select one edge, press Alt and click to select all the edges here. Command B or Control B and scroll down or up to create a bevel like this. Nice. Let's go into the right view again. You add another cylinder. I'll make it 12 this time. Maybe 10. So this is going to be the stem. So 10 is fine, and then go into edit mode. One way to go into edit mode is to press the tab key. So next time I wouldn't go here, but I'll simply press the tab key. So edit mode, scale to something small. Let's go into wireframe mode. Keep scaling till it's something like this. Nice. Go back to object mode. You press tab or you use this menu. Press G to grab, and let's put it somewhere at the top here. So if you go to the solid mode and check, this is where it is right now. So I'm going to go back to the right view, go into edit mode, scale it up a bit so it's okay to me. Then now I'm going to scale it on the Z axis. So S, Z, scale it up a little. Nice. Go back to object view by pressing tab and then press G and Z and move it up. Nice. Now we're going to wireframe mode and then edit mode. Go to vertex select this part. So you drag and select this part. Press G and Z and move this part down somewhere here. And let me send it lower. So somewhere here. Press E. I'm undoing this. So press G, Z, bring it down a little bit. Nice. Go into edge select. Press and then press E to extrude and then move it up a little. Press G, move it to the left a little, and press R to rotate it a little. So somewhere there. Press E again to extrude. Press R to rotate. Let's press G to move it somewhere here. So we are trying to make a bend. So I just rotated by pressing R again. So R, E again, R, G. So you perform those combination of movements to achieve the bend. So I'm going to make a last one, E, and then R. Nice. So we have this bend. If I go into solid mode, you can see this how it looks like. Great. I'm going to go into right view again. Press X and Shift A. Add a cylinder. Yeah, I love cylinders. Let's increase the segments to 12. So 12. Go into edit mode. Tab. Scale it down a little, like somewhere here. Go back to object mode by pressing tab. Press G, Z to lock it to the Z axis. R to rotate. Let's reduce the size of it. So tab, edit mode, scale with S. Somewhere there. Good. Go back to object mode by pressing tab. Press G and move this up here. Nice. I'm going to rotate it some more. Nice. So I'm going to go into edit mode and then go into vertex select and wireframe. Select these vertices and press E. Nice. So let's bring it somewhere here and press E again and bring it somewhere here and scale it up. Beautiful. So we'll put our bulb in there. Go to edge select these edges up here and then press Command B and bevel it. Nice. So if you go into solid mode, this is what it looks like. But let's position the head properly. So here, go into object mode by pressing tab and then move it up. I want to make this smaller a bit, so edit mode, wireframe, vertex select, and select these points and scale it down a little. Nice. Okay, so it seems this part is a little bit short to me, so I'll select both of this. Let me go into solid mode. You click on this, shift click on this, G, Z, up, and then go into wireframe, select this part and press G and Z and move it down a little. Yeah, so you only do that if you think it's short or too long. Nice. So I'm going to go into solid mode, get this perspective, go into edit mode, go to face select this face, press X and choose faces. So we deleted the face. Nice. Now we're going to add our bulb here. So let's go into the right view, go back to object mode or press tab, shift A and choose UV sphere. We are going to reduce the segment, so make it somewhere 16, 14, and in fact, okay, so this is fine. Let me undo this. Let me add. You can use an icosphere, so an icosphere is fine, and then go into edit mode, scale it down a little, go back to object mode, and then drag your bulb over here. So there we have our bulb, our lamp, I mean. So let me enable cavity and both. So you have there our bulb. You can add a switch here. So let me enable the grid. Do shift A, cube, edit mode, scale down, wireframe mode, go to the top view, scale on the X by pressing S and then X like this. That is fine. And then go into the right view, scale on the Z axis by pressing S and Z, scale it like this. Go to object mode, tab by pressing tab and then G to grab it and bring it somewhere here. So if you go to solid mode, this is where it is. Nice. So I'm going to position it properly. Go into wireframe, G, and bring it, press Y to lock it here. Nice. So we can have this switch here that you press and it turns on the lamp. Voila. So that is it for today. Simple and sweet. As you notice, most of the activities we do are extrusions, rotations, insets, as you've seen so far. So yeah, modeling is like just a combination of those techniques. See you in the next one. Bye.